Works in down the left side, cuts to the middle, he shoots and he whistled it wide, didn't miss by much. Folk a breakaway, Carter Folk in on goal, he shoots, he hit the goal post, and the puck stayed out. Bellerive in to get the loose puck to the blue line. Regan, Brady Regan, long shot deflected in. Ryan Vanderbliss, yeehaw! It's 1-0. Long, bouncing puck to the near side, thrower again, he scores, deflected in. I think Braden Point tipped that high, and it's 1-1. Here's Carter Folk up the wall, trying to get a step. How is that not interference? Folk centers, tipped right on. Miette scores! A bouncer! And it winds up in the back of the net, it's 2-1. Drives to the front of the net. Folk gets the pass, and a stop by Wilms. Puck loose, Miette jams, scores! His second of the game, 24th of the year, and it's 3-1, just 21 seconds in. Puck to the line, Pankwitz won't shoot, works in down the left side, pass in front, loose puck, and it's stopped by Wilms as Bellerive. Here's Burke, empty net, scores! Draws him into a tie with Dryden Hunt for the league lead in points, number 76. And room to move on the left side, moves in, he shoots, he scores!